All right, everyone. If you can't delete apps on your iPhone 17 because the delete option is missing, don't worry. This usually happens because of a setting restriction, and it's actually pretty easy to fix. I'm going to show you two simple methods that usually solve the problem. Let's start with the first one. The first thing you want to check is screen time restrictions. Sometimes the iPhone blocks app deletion if this setting is turned off. So what you're going to do is open Settings. Then scroll down and tap Screen Time. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now go to iTunes and App Store Purchases or App Installation and Purchases and look for the option called Deleting Apps. If that setting is set to Don't Allow, that's the reason you can't delete apps. Just tap on it and change it to Allow. Once you do that, go back to your home screen, press and hold the app, and now you should see the Delete App option again. Alright, now if that didn't fix the problem, let's try the second method. Instead of deleting the app from the home screen, you can actually remove it from iPhone storage settings. So open Settings, go to General, and then tap iPhone Storage. Give it a second to load, and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll down and find the app you want to remove. Tap on it, and here you should see the Delete App option. Tap Delete App, confirm it, and the app will be removed from your iPhone. So those are the two quickest ways to fix the issue when the delete option is missing on iPhone 17. Most of the time, it's just a screen time restriction, but if that's not the case, deleting the app through iPhone storage usually works. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and let me know in the comments if it fixed your problem.